Hello everyone, you are again most welcome on my channel Let's Learn English. This is Brajesh and today we are doing a grammar lesson noun. We learned in the previous video that what is part of speech and what is use of them in English. I told you there are 8 part of speech, one of them noun. We briefly learned about noun in the previous video, but in this video we will learn about noun in detail. In this video we will learn what kind of noun and what is definition of them with example. So without wasting time, let's start.
Noun. A noun is a naming word. In other words, a noun is the name of a person, an animal, a thing, a place, an action, an idea, feeling, a quality, or a state of being. Other words, all words used in a sentence as a name for any person, place, animal, object, etc. come under the classification of noun. For example, Ram, Mohan, Sita, Geeta, cow, dog, fish, lion, tiger, cat, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Mumbai, love, honesty, etc. These are all nouns. Nouns can be further sub-classified into different categories depending on the type of object they specify. Let's know subcategory of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. These are subcategory of noun. In this video, we will discuss on proper and common noun in detail. So let's see proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing, animal, etc. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. In other words, name of people or places such as your name, your friend's name, your parents' name, or the name of your town and country are special naming word. These words are called proper noun. Special naming word or proper noun always begin with a capital letter. For example, Rahul, Taj Mahal, Ganga, Yamuna, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Mumbai, China, Pappy, Toyota, Shahrukh Khan, Kalpana Chawla, etc. Let's understand through sentence. Rahul is a good boy. In this has Rahul, this is a proper noun because this is name of a particular person. America is a developed country. There are America is a proper noun because this is a particular name of a country. Delhi is the capital of India. There are two proper noun, Delhi and India, because Delhi is a particular name of a city and India is a particular name of a country. Mumbai is a very famous place in India. So there is also two noun, Mumbai and India. Mumbai is a particular city and India is a particular country. So there are both noun. I hope you have understood that what is proper noun. And now we will learn about common noun. Common noun. A common noun is a name shared by every person or thing of the same class. It does not refer to any particular person or things. In other words, common noun are naming words that are common to people, place, things, and animals, etc. Common noun do not define any particular person, place, or thing. They are general names, so they are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. For example, children, writer, ground, lion, tiger, boy, girl, river, city, hill, state, fan, tree, mobile, toy. These are all common noun words. Let's through a sentence. Ravindranath Tagore was a famous writer. There are in this sentence as Rabindranath Tagore. This is a proper noun because this is a particular name of a person, and writer, this is a common noun because we can use writer for all writers. Same other example, children are playing in the ground. So there are children. This is a common noun because we can use children for all children, and ground is a, this is also a common noun. Rahul is playing in the ground. There are Rahul is a proper noun because this describe a particular person. Ground is a common noun. Lion is the king of the jungle. There are three common noun: lion, king, jungle, because lion is a not name of any particular animal. This is a means not lion may be of means many lion. This means this is not define a particular lion. And other sentence, tiger is the national animal of India. There are tiger and animal, these both are common noun, and India is a proper noun. Other words, let's understand common noun and proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Sita, Gita, these are particular name of a girl, so these are proper noun. Boy, common noun. Ramesh, Rahul, Harish is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. Tommy, Sam, these are both proper noun. City is a common noun. Mumbai, Delhi, these are proper noun. I hope you have understood that what is proper noun and common noun and what is different between proper and common noun. So if you feel this video was helpful for you, then like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for stay updated. Thanks a million for watching.